In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Trello easily. Trello is a powerful project management tool that helps keep your tasks and projects organized, whether you're working solo or as part of a team. Let's dive in and set up your account. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Trello website by typing trello.com into the address bar. Once you've arrived at the homepage, look for the option to Get Trello for free. This will lead you to the sign up process where you can start creating your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Be sure to use an email that you frequently check, as you'll need it to verify your account and stay updated on your projects. Type in your email and then click on the sign up button to proceed. Now, Trello will inquire about what brings you to their platform. While you have the option to fill this out, you can also choose to skip it if you're in a hurry. There's a handy skip button if you decide that's the route you'd like to take. Following that, you'll be asked to name your board. Think of a board as your main workspace where all your related lists and tasks will be housed. Choose a name that is relevant to your project or focus area. Once you've decided, you can click Next. Now let's set up some lists within your board. Typically, you'll start with three main lists: to do, doing, and done. These labels help categorize tasks based on their status. Start by naming your first list to do, then move on to create the doing list, and finally the done list. Once you have created these, click Next to continue. It's now time to populate your lists with cards. Cards represent individual tasks or pieces of information within your list. Name your cards in a way that makes sense for your goals. Cards could be things like write report or design mockup, depending on your project. Once you've named them, click Next. At this point, if you're working with a team, you might wish to invite them. You can enter their email addresses to send out invites. However, if you prefer to work solo at this stage, you can skip this process by clicking Skip. Finally, check your email for a verification link that Trello would have sent to ensure it's you creating the account. Once verified, you're all set to manage your tasks seamlessly. Don't forget to personalize your experience by entering your full name and setting up a secure password. After this, click Continue to complete your registration process. Congratulations, you've now set up your Trello account and can start organizing your workflow more efficiently. Remember, Trello is flexible, so feel free to customize your boards, lists, and cards as much as needed to suit your style and project needs. Happy organizing!